Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Learning. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create and fully customize a line chart in Excel. Whether you are tracking trends or visualizing data over time, a line chart is an excellent tool to use. So let's dive right in. First, make sure your data is organized. Now with your data selected, go to the Insert tab at the top. In the Charts group, click the line chart and choose the basic 2D line chart. If you frequently work with the line charts, you can set it as your default chart. To do that, simply go to the See All Charts option and right-click on your line chart that you want to set as default. Select Set as Default Chart and you are done. Now every time you insert a chart, Excel will automatically use a default line chart format. Just select the data and press Alt plus F1 on your keyboard. A default chart inserted into the worksheet. If you click on any blank cell in your Excel sheet, then what happened? Okay, let's see. Select a blank cell. Navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. In the Charts group, click on the line chart icon and choose the 2D line chart. A blank chart will appear in your worksheet because you don't select any data. Now click on the chart title and give it a name like Monthly Sales Data. If you need to add data to your chart, right-click on the chart and go to Select Data from the context menu. Alternatively, you can go to the Chart Design tab at the top. Then click on Select Data. In the Select Data Source dialog box, click on the Add button under the Legend Entries section. A new dialog box called Edit Series will appear. In the Series Name field, you can type a name for your new data series or select a cell with the series name. In the Series Values field, click the icon next to it and then select the range of data you want to add. Once done, press OK. After adding the data, press OK again in the Select Data Source dialog box and your chart will be updated with the new series. Similarly, you can add more data to your chart. To add axis labels, select the chart and go to Select Data. Click on Edit Axis Labels. Finally, select the axis labels data and click OK. Axis labels appear in my chart. Now, how to remove data from a line chart? Click on the chart that contains the data you want to remove. Right-click on the chart and choose Select Data, or use the Chart Design tab and click Select Data. In the Select Data Source dialog box, under the Legend Entries section, select the series you want to remove. Press OK to confirm, and the selected data series will be removed from your chart. To make your chart more informative, you can add axis titles. Click on the green plus icon at the top right corner of the chart. Check the boxes for axis titles. Here, both horizontal and vertical axis titles appear in the chart area. If you want to display only vertical axis titles, just click on the arrow sign and uncheck the horizontal box. You can rename the axis titles to make them more descriptive. Simply click on the title and edit. Here I will type Sales Amount and Month. Now right-click on the axis title and choose a style from here. Similarly, right-click on the other axis title and choose a style. We will also change our chart title style. Just right-click on it and choose a style. To add data labels, just check the data labels box. By default, this will add labels to the data points on your line chart. If you want to customize where the labels appear, click the arrow next to the data labels and choose a label position such as above, below or center. Here I choose center. You can customize the chart element as your requirement. First select the chart, go to the chart style, select a style and pick colors that suit your needs. Then right click on it. Go to format chart area. Choose a border type and increase the border width for more visibility. Go to the effect option and add shadow to give your chart a professional look. Now change all the text font and font size. Bold all the titles. For more customization, select the text, then right click and go to format. You can customize your elements from here to give them a better look. Once your line chart is ready, you can easily save or export it as an image or PDF. Right click the chart, choose Save as Picture and select your desired file format. And that's it. You have successfully created and customized line chart in Excel. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.